Bro, that is Kallimaka. You know.
Kallimaka na inna.
You take that, then I'll show you.
How should I take it? Long sand. Hiya. Hi. So, what do you think about this place?
Surfing needs a lot of energy.
Yeah. Do we have to surf now? Do you know to surf?
Do you know to swim?
I know to swim. Okay, I know to swim. I'm a pro swimmer, you know. Actually, our guys are coming over there. I think we have to go there. Most probably we'll be able to touch the sea, I guess.
Yeah, we will definitely touch the sea and see the temperature of the sea.
It is 10 degrees Celsius, right?
Yeah.
I hope we'll not get any hypothermia. But then, yeah.
Feel free to try, yeah?
Yeah, definitely. Alright. Come, let's go.
If you walk very fast, sand will go inside.
Yeah.
The water used to come here, bro.
Till here?
Yeah. See
Maybe.
That? Not maybe, it will.
Okay.
Now it's low tide. The water is cold. Water is cold.
Okay.
According to the report I get,
It is 10 degrees Celsius. Is
it cold?
Yeah, it is cold. It is cold.
It's not that cold.
Yeah, we can handle it.
It's too cold.
It is too cold.
See where the salt is there.
Should we test the salt in it?
You saw?
No, I didn't see.
No, delete it.
This beach is good, right? I think it's been like so many months since we vlogged. The last vlog was like shopping.
Yeah.
And
Last day I saw that video again.
last day you saw that video. We have a wonderful sea right here.
Oh, it's too cold, bro. How they are doing it here?
That's what he told. It is like 10 degrees Celsius.
You're always free to dive.
Yeah. If you can dive, you can dive.
If I dive here means
You can dive.
you can dive.
Otherwise, you cannot.
Oh, it's this cold.
Yeah.
That's why these people from here are coming to our country for surfing and not for surfing. Like
I haven't seen any people surfing in
Goa, you can see.
maybe.
Because Goa sea is.
I haven't
calm.
been to Goa yet.
Woo!
Anyway, this place is good to visit.
Yeah. Anyway, it's worth. This beach alone is worth. For
Definitely.
staying here.
Yeah. I'm going to take photos there.
I think you can go there. Maybe you can see that Kallimaka.
What is Kallimaka?
Kallimaka is like
Huh?
that shell thing. I don't know the English of it.
Is it like this one?
Yeah,
Chippy.
it's like this one. I think that one is dead already.
This is good. Should we touch this? This is not that much cold.
It is too cold.
I don't feel that much cold in this.
Because you are touching with your back hand. That's
Okay,
it.
see? It's not much cold here.
Is it cold?
It is a bit cold. This is good. I'm going to take photos.
Maybe we can see what?
Maybe you can see what?
Snakes?
Snakes. I think we can see crabs. we will be able to see crabs. According to your opinion, I'm going to fall down. Okay.
Watch yourself, you. Is champ.
Yeah.
See that it's not going.
Okay, it's time to take some photo shoots.
What says is at least we are not seeing anything.
What do you want to see?
I want to see something.
You want to see some muttu, pavalam? What do they say?
See that chappal? I'm a
Chappal.
treasure hunter.
You are a treasure hunter. What do you see there?
See. That is
What?
Kallimaka.
எங்க இருக்கு? என்னது? எங்க? Where? What?
That thing.
Can you take that?
No.
We can't take that.
We can take that.
Watch your foot.
See that thing. That.
What is there, man?
Bro, is there any stick here?
Maybe.
Bro, that is the one. Under that grass.
Are you saying that one? That something is like.
Yeah.
What is that name? Kallimaka.
Yeah, you can take it with hand.
Are you
now.
saying Sangu?
Shanga is different form.
Okay.
See that?
Where? What?
That. Take this. No problem. We need something to take that.
I don't know what you are even saying.
Bro, we need something sticky. Bro, that is Kallimaka. You know.
Kallimaka na inna.
You take that, then I'll show you.
How should I take it? Okay, watch your feet. Steve.
That is stone.
That is true.
I showed you somewhere else, right? See something?
you show somewhere else from there.
Yeah, where was it?
First of all, I don't know what is Kallimaka. Kallimaka dana adu.
I just showed you somewhere else, right? Where is it?
It is a stone, man.
That is stone. I
Yeah.
give you that. But where is that thing? Now I showed you little bit about 5 minutes before. 2 minutes before. Show you something, right?
From the starting, I was seeing that stone only. I didn't see something else.
Something else I showed here.
Maybe, maybe not.
Oh, it's away.
Anyway, we didn't find any Kallimaka. But Kallimaka should be something like this. I will post that in post processing.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, peace.